Yeah, yung itong collaboration ng White Castle for us is a very special one. Hi, ako si Dras Palaming, resident artist sa Obsidian Tattoo Collective. Para sa amin yung White Castle is ways of how we celebrate. Kapag nagse-celebrate, kapag umiinom kayo, during those victories and during those times na kasi kapag nasa conventions kami or nasa mga competitions kami, andun yung struggle. It's very nice na nagkakaroon ng ganitong mga collaboration kasi somehow nare-recognize yung efforts ng mga tattoo studios around the Philippines. Kasi yung mga tattoo studios around the Philippines, they have their own identities. They have their own attitude on things. Like for us in Obsidian Tattoo Collective, we are a private tattoo studio. So we're not commercialized. So para sa amin, thankful kami sa White Castle para mapili na isa doon sa mga maging collaborator sa project na to.